Welcome guys to Rico's Repairs. Go ahead and give a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So guys, today I'll be servicing this window stopper on a 2000 Ford Mustang. Basically what this is to stop the window from jumping over. This is where it hits, and over time this ends up falling because you had a little silicone right here that you would glue on to the window. I heard this is pretty common with these types of window stoppers, so just keep watching. Alrighty, as you can see, there's letter R, meaning for right door. Be careful, don't get them mixed up. There's an L and there's a R. One's for the right door and one's for the left door, because you want that little outer triangle to be able to sit under so it doesn't jump over. So be careful, don't get those mixed up. This is what I'm gonna be using as a silicone to be able to hold it on the window, to glue it back on, sit it down. I got this at Walmart for I believe less than $3, so use this. Be able to reach the track that's right here to glue it on the window. It all depends. You have to be able to check which window stopper fell, because there's two, I believe. There's one over here in the front that has to be connected to this track. There's another one over here in this back one. This is where the track is, where you want to put this white part in. So you're gonna have to put it in and then push up and hold it there for a second so it glues on. Alrighty, so first things first, you're gonna have to take off the door panel. I already did that. You're gonna have to remove the water shield. Just put it to the side. Just be careful with it. Try not to rip it. So now, take the glue and fill it up as much as you can. Okay, so for this part, I had already placed it under the window. It's a little bit of a struggle, so you might want to roll up or roll down the window for your comfort. But right here, I set it to the window, and now I'm pushing it up while I'm pushing the window down. Make sure that somebody is holding the window, or you yourself push it down so you don't mess anything up or scratch anything. So right here, I'm pushing up while pushing down at the same time, and as you can see, there's more glue coming out, and that's totally normal. That's a good thing. That means that the window is going through. You keep on pushing up until you can't no more. So here I'm showing you how the window stopper actually works. You just want to go ahead and be careful, let it sit for 2 or 3 days, but I'm just showing you guys how it functions. And this part, it's a different angle, but here you can see as it goes up it stops, and you can go ahead and pull it all the way down. It shouldn't be able to fall. So thank you guys for watching Rico's Repairs. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.